Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy cabbage salad. First, select a fresh, firm head of cabbage, either green or red. Remove any damaged outer leaves, then quarter the cabbage and remove the core. Now, thinly shred the cabbage using a mandolin slicer or a very sharp knife for uniform pieces. Aim for about 8 cups of shredded cabbage. Next, let's add some vibrant vegetables to enhance flavor and texture. Shred about 1 cup of carrots and add them to your bowl. Thinly slice half a cup of bell peppers, perhaps red or yellow, for a pop of color. You might also want to include 1/4 cup of fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro for an aromatic touch. Now for the heart of our salad, the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of good quality olive oil and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Stir in 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard and 1 teaspoon of honey for a touch of sweetness. Finally, season with half a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. With all your ingredients ready, it's time to bring it all together. Pour the delicious dressing evenly over the shredded cabbage and other vegetables in your large bowl. Gently toss everything until every piece is thoroughly coated. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and chill the salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy your fresh cabbage salad.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.